So I picked some flowers this morning on my walk. These are Lenten roses. And I made a little arrangement. Aren't they pretty? So today, maybe you could take a walk and see what flowers you can find. And put them in little glasses, or if you have vases, or be creative. Lots of different things can be containers. Say good morning to Pepper. Hey, Pep. One of my favorite things to do is to go for walks and find interesting pieces of bark, moss, sticks. I've got some acorns. And today, I'm going to use my children's old play set and make maybe like a fairy house or something, or just do a little general building with my bark and my sticks. More to come later. House. I just took some sticks and some bark and stacked them, and then I've decorated with some acorns and a rock and some random nutshells. Cute, huh? So easy. Nothing needs to be perfect. But it's a great way to get outside and build something.